Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. In my video on the unboxing of the Hungarian Olympic Rings Puzzle, I said I would have what was on the box translated and talk about it in my future tutorial video. Instead, I decided that I would do an unboxing of the box video. I will go over the translation of everything printed on it, as well as some information I subsequently found. I will be doing a tutorial video on this puzzle in the future. As usual, before we get started, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. So why did I do this? Well, there's very little information available on this puzzle. There's nothing on who invented the puzzle, the company that made it, or when it came out. Based on what little I could find, the puzzle is estimated to have come out in the 1990s. I was hoping that I would gain a little information by doing the translation of this box. I got it translated by using one of the various translation apps online. What I found out exceeded my expectations. I'm a big history buff, so this is right in my wheelhouse. Okay, I'll start on the front and work my way around the box. Translation of the front is Olympic, which is obvious. Logic game with balls. Now turn it over like this, and you have an emblem on the box here with some print on it. I'm going to zoom that in so we can get a better look at that. And that translates to alternative. Now we'll continue with the print here, which is produced by the Alternative Invention Utilization Limited Liability Company, the official supporter of the Hungarian Olympic movement. Now we're not going to go to the back of the box, and this part here is the same as what is on the front, which is Olympic logic game with balls. This here translates to instructions for use, and this main body here translates to the essence of the game. The official, well-known Olympic colors were placed in reverse order from the factory in the stylized 5-ring form. We hope that you too will be able to display the original color combination by rotating the balls with your finger. We hope that this will be successful before the start of the Summer Games. If not, that's okay. We wish you a good game. Now, as you can see, based on the Olympic colors they show in the box, my puzzle is in a reverse configuration, which means that this most likely is how it came out of the box. I don't believe anyone has ever attempted to solve this. Continuing, doing this part here. Warning, if the ball gets stuck while rotating with your finger, please adjust the stuck ball to the socket at the connecting point of the hoops. Then you can continue the game. And I'm guessing that must be these parts here. Alright, and we're now going to be going to this section here, which is we recommend from 10 years old to 101 years old. And this text here translates to, you who bought this game also support the Hungarian Olympic movement. And that's everything on the box. I did an internet search and I got a match for the company that made the puzzle. Alternative Invention Utilization Limited Liability Company, also known as Alternative Ltd, on, and I'm going to spell the name of the website, CEGINFORMACIO.HU. The company was founded on April 25th, 1989. At some point during the 1990s, they supported Hungary's Olympics movement. The last date of data for this company was on January 1st, 1995, which was a head count. On that date, they had 2 employees. Based on the information on the website, this company's date is listed as being deleted from the commercial register, so it no longer exists. If anyone has any additional information regarding this, please let me know in the comment section. So what did I learn by translating this box? I know the name of the company that made the puzzle. I have a closer approximation of when and why the puzzle was produced. Additionally, I learned how the puzzle appeared right out of the box. Based on what I've learned, I believe this puzzle was probably made between either 1991 and 1992 for the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. So there you have it. A translation video on what's on the box of the Hungarian Olympic Rings Puzzle. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I know history isn't for everyone's thing, but it happens to be of great interest to me. Until next time, have a great day.